let me show you what I'm doing with all the drums and all the parts of the transmission. I'm opening it again. Pay attention, these seals are new. This seal over there is new. Now I wash the hands, no worries, I'm gonna wash it again. You see the steel pieces on the seal? It's not the best. You see all this glitter inside? It's not the best, it's not the ideal. So what I have done up to now, the K2, I'm doing it now, I'm washing it now, alright? On the clutches, these clutches remaining, I haven't cleaned them yet, the valve housing, plus one second. These parts here, it's being washed. I already prepared them. Prepare the K3, I prepare all the drums here, whatever you see here, it's been washed, it's been prepared. The oil pump, I'm gonna replace it. I'm gonna see if I have upstairs one with a bearing, with a needle bearing. Output shaft, the gasket looks excellent. It didn't hurt from any piece or something. It's a new gasket. It hasn't even run. All this I'm gonna blow again with air at the end. Okay. So contactor plate, I clean the magnets here, don't have a steel. Okay. It looks nice. It's supposed to look nice because it's a new one. So these parts from this side, they're okay. The sun gear, planetary gear, how it's called, they're working excellent. They don't have any problem. I'm gonna show you what is the problem in a second. Okay, on the K2 clutch housing, I'm talking about this one, that inside of this, it's centering this. There is this sun gear, planetary gear, sun gear, called as you like. What's the problem here? This, it spins. This spins. This spins. This one, it doesn't. It's stuck. I have to force it. Why this is happening? Because there was so many metallic pieces inside. All of them, there was stuck actually. It was not completely stuck. But this one, it doesn't unstuck. It's turning rough. So this, I'm gonna replace it. Just to be on the same page. Not only this, together. Then, the B1. The B1, before, it wasn't like that. I haven't touched it yet. But the bush inside, it wasn't in this condition. You see that some metallic savings, they stuck on the bush. When I closed the transmission, this bush, it was excellent. It wasn't like that. So this and this, I'm gonna replace it. I don't have a chance, together with the oil pump. First I'm gonna remove the seals, because I'm cleaning with different way the seals, not with the petrol. The rest of the parts I can wash with petrol, not the seals. And then regarding the clutches, I'm going with a magnet. Before I wipe anything out, first I'm going with a magnet to see if there is any piece of steel on the clutch, and then I'm wiping out with a rag, and then inside of the fresh fluid, and then installed again on the drums. That's how it is. What can I say? Let's continue. Small update. This is something that I have already done this before. I'm leaving at the end the valve housing. I get the customer, he brought me new solenoids. I can put them over there. Alright, these are the new solenoids. These I have already replaced before. These are the new one. I already washed it. This one second. Which one is the shifting? This is the shift solenoid. 1, 2, and 3. These three, they have same part number. And this for the torque converter clutch TCC, the lockup clutch. One's with a pin that's extended down. The other three. What's this part number? 1 second. Let me show you. That's the part number. 1700. This, like I said, they're already new. I have already replaced it. So, and I didn't have any fault with that. I didn't even have any fault with the other one, but anyhow, yeah. Small update, small update. Have a nice weekend. Let me continue here. Story of my life, story of my life. I found this upstairs. This spins beautiful, okay. It doesn't have any problem, alright. This is the other one that I showed you. That one, it's stuck. It spins together. And what I did, I grabbed on the lathe, I machined it, and I removed the cover because there is a safe here. You cannot pass it otherwise. Or maybe you can. Who knows? Who cares, right? Yeah. Okay. So I'm talking about this cover that comes here. I remove it from this one. I want to see how it looks like inside. Yeah. Yeah. This supposed don't turn so hard, and supposed don't turn together with this pin in the middle. Even this is, it bites. Okay, let me bring the stand. I'm gonna put on the stand the phone. Okay, here we go. This one. Come back. Oh boy. I'm glad that I break it. I'm glad that I open the cover, because see what has inside. See what has inside. Again, I'm gonna remove piece of steel from my hands. Take a look how it looks like. I'm happy that I destroyed it. I'm happy because this, it will never gonna go out from there. I'm happy that I found the other one. Push on the thrust washer have. Yep. And now you understand why I have to wash all these stupid things again. Yeah, also this have. Why to be different, right? All of them should have. Okay, let me throw it out. But also this is stuck. This was turning. God damn it, I don't want to touch on the table. Yeah. Take care. Less on this one. The first one was disaster. This one it's not the ideal. Okay, let me throw this out. I'm coming back. Also this one out. No need to be here inside. Okay, outside of the engine room. No need to be inside. Let me show you now from this side. I'm gonna break the mobile. It's not smart. Sorry for the turbulence. It's not smart to bending the bracket through the mobile, right? Say, Tassos, you're done. Can't wake up Bixby. What the? Okay, now, god damn it now. Damn it. Wait. I have this one that this been compromised from the pieces. I showed you this earlier. Then I have this one that I removed the bearings before. I remember that there was another one 7.2.6 and I tried to remove the bearings, or this is with the broken bearings, I don't remember. But the bush inside, it's excellent. Obviously I have to get the measurement. Shit, I removed the other one out and I didn't get the measurement. I have to get the measurement of the thickness here. I have to get the measurement of the thickness on here to see how it's gonna be at the end, because you have to play with the seams. Don't be tight, don't be loose. So now what I'm gonna do, this one I don't want it. It does have a bearings, I cannot find these bearings. I'm talking about these two bearings. And it's missing also the inner part, the piston with the safe. But what can I do for that? I can unpress it. I can take out the safe and I'm pressing it out. Wish me luck. I have an adapter that it can step here, because here it's supposed to be okay. If it's gonna step right, if it steps on this surface here, it's gonna be fine. I hope, I think. Or should I grab it here? Should I put it here on this? We're gonna see. No, if you put it here, so this been pressed. Also this been pressed. Let's go to unpress this one and then we're gonna see what are we gonna do with this one. Yep. I don't want to remove the bush from inside, because if you try to remove this one, then you cannot put it again inside. You have to press a new one. If it makes sense what I'm saying. Wish me luck. Okay, I unpress it. It's not the first time. I have done this before, but how nice it's gonna be if I had this bush new. This ring. How nice, how lovely it's gonna be. Why I have to F my mind? Because this one has a clock. It's not, you cannot put it as you like. This hole here has to meet this hole inside, and then there are these two holes that it has to align here and here. Otherwise it will not gonna work. How beautiful is that? God damn it, I don't wanna do it. I just don't want to do it. I haven't pressed it before. I have never pressed. I don't care about this. Like I said, I don't have bearings, I don't have the piston. Now, should I try with this to remove the bush and see how it's gonna come out? Warm it up a little bit. Let's try. Again, I don't want to unpress it from here. I'm not feeling comfortable. I don't feel that I'm gonna make it hot and cold. I have to warm it up at 90 degrees. This one, this I'm gonna cool it down. Okay, but again, yeah, again, even if I mark it, I don't want to do that. No, I don't. And I will not. I prefer to change it all complete as a unit. I'm gonna try to remove this bush from here. I think I have another one. What the? Wait. Yes, I have another one. This I cut it a couple of years back. I don't remember when exactly. Let me try to remove at least this one. Doesn't change anything. I'm gonna try to remove it and I'm gonna try to press it again. Let's see, we're gonna have success or what? What the? Why I'm doing all these things? I'm not changing all the unit. Okay, I took it out. There is a part number on it. Good luck to find it. This is not healthy, it's not the ideal. And like I said, since I am pressed, I don't want to press by again. But if I can find this new one, I'm gonna get 4 or 5 pieces to have an extra, not only one. Then I have the dimensions, that means I can fix one tool to align outside and inside and to come this exactly straight. I can make one adapter to be exactly straight, to don't have any problems, don't destroy this bush. Let's see if I can find it. Okay, that's it. It's a Saturday. It's already 8 o'clock. I need to go home. Finish for today. We're gonna see that on Monday. This back, this, forget this one. I'm not touching it. I'm not touching it at all. Leave it as this. Leave it as this. I didn't open the piston, so I haven't cleaned inside. And this is the remaining. That's the balance. Gonna see what I'm gonna do for this shit. Yeah. Alright. Over and out. Once again. Have a nice weekend. Yay. Guess what? I'm still here. I went again upstairs. I went again upstairs to see if I have a pump with a needle bearing. This is the pump that I removed. Okay. And this is the pump that I found upstairs. It looks much better condition, the bush. This one than this one. It's been polished here and in some spots has some marks. Okay, that's one thing. Then, guess what? I found another B1. Another one. This time with the bearings here. What's the problem? Now, obviously, there are differences. So where's the lip here? Where's the lip here? Where is the piston here? And where is the piston here? What's the difference? There are two types. There is a double-sided frictions, okay, that you see that gets less amount of clutches inside, all right, and there is the single-sided frictions that gets much more. Let us say an E55 with a E200, if you like. Both of them are the same. This will gonna suffer. You're not gonna keep up with the torque. This will gonna be okay. That's why this has so many clutches, and that's why they get advantage from all this space here. Again, how I end up to have this one, I don't know. Maybe they get it from a scrapyard and they brought me from an E200 72.6. From well, whatever it is. It's not from a 55 mmg, that's for sure. Now that's the end. I'm going home. Finish. The book, it's always with me. I don't remember out of memory all these things. I'm following the book to be safe. At least I found pump. I wish to find a pump with a needle bearing inside. What can I do? At least I found this one. It's better than this.